Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Laura and today I am journaling in my Hobonichi Techo Cousin 2020. I am playing some major catch up and have some things laid out, but you know, if you could even see, this is such a mess. Lots to journal about, hopefully. I kept some notes, so I'm just making sure I see them all. Let's see. I did not keep a lot of notes for those days. Okay, so we got some more snow because yay, it's still winter here. It's actually currently snowing, and we're in April, so on the first day of spring, nonetheless. So I was like, oh yay. Spring. I love spring. I don't love snow. This one totally made me laugh. I don't know if any of you can relate, but yeah, I'm totally, 2020 is a unique leap year. It has 29 days in February, 30 days in March, and 5 years in April. Little did we know how much more it would turn. I'm looking for wow, this is probably the messiest my work area. It's because I'm trying to catch up. Has gotten my little, you know, like funny faces. Maybe we'll put a unicorn on there because I don't know, because I want to. And we'll put your magical because that's actually funny. Because I don't think there's anything magical about this year. Quite the adventure we are on for sure. So we played some Relative Insanity as a family. I don't know if you've ever played that. It's an interesting game. It's pretty funny, all in all. There's a few things that you gotta be careful of. So my daughter really wanted to go dance when it was raining before it started snowing. And so her and brother went out and danced in tap shoes in rain puddles. Yeah, I don't know. But that was fun. And then I was taking some pictures of them because they were getting resourceful and having Zoom calls and group chats with all their friends. And I just thought it was super cool. Trying to remember these things even though they're not always super amazing feeling. And then, I don't know, I think my daughter took that picture of us, but I thought it was cute. So there, we be cute together. So I just want to write a couple things. Games with family. This. So this. Alright, and when I find my emoji stickers, I am totally putting some emojis on this thing. But I'm not gonna look for them right this second because I don't know where they are. I need some new ones. So if you have any recommendations on like emoji stickers, you know, laughing, crying, smiles, all that kind of fun stuff, I could really use some more. So help a girl out. Tell me where I can get some. Dancing in the rain. They had so much fun dancing. It was so cute. I love that they love each other. Then it snowed. I think my daughter is going to be really sad when my son goes to college. Because I think that they are truly very good friends. What else do I want to write? Okay, I think that's great. Honestly, it kind of makes me laugh. I feel like some of these probably aren't as good at journaling as I could, but I also try to include a lot of pictures, and I think the pictures help because they jog your memory, right? I'm a picture person. I like to be able to see things, and yeah. I'm just gonna outline a couple pictures here. because sometimes that makes them pop a little bit more. And I really want, I had a bunch of heart stickers, but I think I used them all. This one's cracking me up. I don't think we'll ever forget this year because of some of this stuff. Somebody's driving by. Sorry if that's super loud. I have my window open a little bit to let fresh air in, and they are plowing, unfortunately, so maybe I'll have to shut it. Anyways, okay, let's do the next 2 pages now. This picture cracked me up. My husband, who's very knowledgeable in computers and whatnot, couldn't remember how to do something in Photoshop, and he asked my daughter, and she knew, and it was so cute. So I thought that was cute that, you know, she was like, oh yeah, I know how to do that. So I put, when your kid knows more than you, need another laughing emoji sticker. Let's see. On Saturday, we took some pictures. My daughter wanted to take some pictures in the snow, so we did. We're just, you know, trying to figure out things to do, fun things. And seriously, they're self-entertained, but some days it's still nice to do something fun together. And I'm glad that they still like to spend time with me, even if I am their mom. Still can hang out and do fun things and make each other laugh, and nobody's gotten on anyone's nerves yet. So I like this quote: normal is something to aspire to. Is not something to aspire to, it's something to get away from. And I thought that was just kind of interesting, especially for this time. Like, what is normal? What are we doing? Let's see. Use some other colors here. Just gonna write, my I trust you, Jesus. And now I'm singing. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. Losing my noggin. That's what I'm doing. Pictures in the snow. Let's see. I feel like I had a couple more I was gonna put on here. This got cut off, but it's still really good, and I felt like it was really relevant. The phrase, "Do not be afraid," is written in the Bible 365 times. That's a daily reminder from God to live every day being fearless. And it's like, that's something I need to remember. And then I thought this was really good. It says, live life in full bloom, which I'm just going to stick there. So these are kind of my days. It's kind of weird right now. I get it. Oh no. We're all in a weird season, and that's okay. But you know, what we choose to focus on and how we choose to focus on those things, I think, is really important right now. I'll stick that there so it doesn't. But I think it's still important to try to keep some memories going and try to keep the fun happening. So yeah, this has kind of been my journal the last few days, guys. I've been catching up, like I said. So hopefully you liked this video. If you did, I'd love it if you give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. Have a blessed day.